Hi everyone, I am Shubham Jhanwar. We are discussing JEE Advanced 2022 Paper 1, and the question for this video is this. Let z bar denote the complex conjugate of complex number z and let iota equal to root of -1. In the set of complex numbers, the number of distinct roots of the equation z bar minus z square equal to iota times z bar plus z square is. So we are going to see a couple of ways to solve it. Yeah, one way is seeing that z bar and z square are involved. Maybe we can take all z bar terms on one side and z square terms on other side. So here you may say 1 minus iota times z bar is equal to 1 plus iota times z square. Yeah. So if you take mod on both sides, you get mod 1 minus iota mod z bar is mod z only is equal to mod 1 plus iota mod z square is mod z, mod of z square is square of mod z. Yeah, so here this anyway cancels out, root 2 and root 2 cancels out, and essentially what you get is mod z square, and mod z bar is essentially mod z only. So that means mod z can either be 0 or 1. Yeah, now having said this, let me multiply both sides by z. Why? Because I have information of mod z, and z bar is mod z square. So when I multiply both sides by z, so I get what? Z bar is equal to 1 plus iota z cube. Yeah, so you may say what? You may say z cube is equal to 1 minus iota divided by 1 plus iota, yeah, times mod z square. Yeah, so you have mod z square. So here there are a couple of possibilities which we have got, that mod z can be 0. Yeah, so if mod z is 0, then you get z cube equal to 0, that you get z equal to 0. This is one solution. Yeah, and there's nothing given like z is supposed to be non-zero something, so this is acceptable, and if you put it in the original equation it indeed satisfies. Nonetheless, it is supposed to satisfy anyway because we have gone quite logically. And another possibility is mod z equal to 1, in which case mod z square would also be 1, and you get z cube equal to 1 minus iota divided by 1 plus iota multiplied by 1 square. Basically so you can make the denominator real by multiplying numerator and denominator by 1 minus iota. So you would get 2 below, and above you will get 1 minus 1 minus 2 iota. So minus 2 iota divided by 2, you get minus iota. So z cube equal to minus iota. So there will be 3 solutions to it. Yeah, because it is a cubic polynomial, so hence there will be 3 distinct solutions to it. And we can also find it out, but here the point is not to find out. Why? Because what we want is number of distinct roots, and that's it. So why should we put that extra effort? So 1 solution and 2 and 3 solutions, so total the number of solutions is 4, and that's the answer. Let's see an alternate. If this method is too clicky or tricky for you, you may go by simple way, like you may take z as x plus iota y, where of course x and y are real. Yeah, so z bar would be what? Z bar would be x minus iota y. Yeah, and what about z square? Z square would be x square minus y square plus iota 2xy. Yeah, so here let me write it anyway. Left hand side is what? X minus iota y, and minus you have x square minus y square minus iota 2xy is equal to iota times you have x minus iota y plus you have x square minus y square plus iota 2xy. Makes sense? So here if you compare the real and the imaginary parts, you would get x minus x square plus y square is equal to here you would get y minus 2xy. So this is about the real part on both sides. Yeah. What about the imaginary part on both sides? Because for both sides to be equal, the real and imaginary part should be respectively equal. So here you get minus y minus 2xy is equal to x plus so maybe we have yeah, correct, plus x square minus y square. So here if you see carefully, x minus x square plus y square, x plus x square minus y square. So you can add the two equations, just that left hand side of first equation you should add with the right hand side of the second equation. So as you add, you get 2x is equal to y minus y cancels out and you get minus 4xy. Yeah. So here there are two possibilities. Yeah. One possibility is x equal to 0. Yet another possibility is y, that means x is not equal to 0, then you may say y has to be minus half. Yeah. So if x is 0, you can put it in any of the two equations. If x is 0, then you get y square equal to y. That means y can be 0 or 1. So there are two solutions that I get from here. Yeah. When x is 0, so y can be 0 or 1. That means it can be 0 complex number or complex number iota. When y is minus half, again as you put here, you'd get what? And when you put y to be minus half, you get x will cancel out, and you'd get y is minus half, so you get x square is equal to 3 by 4. Yeah. So that means x is plus minus root 3 by 2. Yeah. So again here you are getting two more solutions, and overall total 4 solutions are there. So that means it can be root 3 by 2 minus iota by 2 or minus root 3 by 2 minus iota by 2. So total 4 solutions are there. Thanks for listening.